Today we are going to learn about Standard 8 subject Sanskrit and the 7th chapter by the name Sankhya. Students, as you know that we use numbers very often whenever we are conversing in any language. Therefore, knowledge of Sanskrit number is also very necessary. Now, you have already learned Sanskrit numbers from 1 to 15 in standard 7th. Now in this lesson you shall learn Sanskrit numbers up to 100. Now this lesson is in a dialogue form. Here there are 3 characters, Suresh, Ramesh and fruit seller. Now Suresh and Ramesh are 2 friends and who used to go into market. Now as you know that whenever we are going in the market, we used to do purchase something, right? And whenever we are purchasing, at that time we are paying the money, right? So numbers are needed and necessary whenever we are doing any kind of conversation. Today in the same lesson we are going to learn Sanskrit number from 1 to 100. Before starting the lesson, let me see the lesson in detail with word meaning. Sureshah, Aho Rameshah, Kutra Gacchati. Now the very first line, Suresh, the very first character is asking to Ramesh, is one of the friend, that, Oh Ramesh, where are you going? Suresh is a name of boy. And he is one of the friend of Ramesh. Suresh is the name of a boy and Suresh is saying to Ramesh, Aho means Oh, Ramesh is friend of Suresh. Aho Ramesh, kutra gacchati? Kutra means where and gacchati means going. So in the very first line, Suresh says to Ramesh that, Oh Ramesh, where are you going? Oh Ramesh, where are you going? Then Ramesh says, Apanam gacchami. Apanam means shop. Apanam gacchami. And gacchami. I am going. Now, here you can see this is the form of Vartaman Kal Parasmay first person singular. According to the present tense table, me, vaha, maha, si, tha, tha, ti, ta, vanti. This is the form of present tense first person singular. Gaccha, me, I am going. Now see, when Suresh is asking to Ramesh that, Oh Ramesh, where are you going? At that time, Ramesh replies that, I am going to the shop. I am going to the shop. Suresh says, Aham api agacchami. Suresh says that Aham means I, api. This word means also. Agacchami. Coming. So, when Ramesh says that I am going to the shop, then Suresh says that I am also coming with you. As you know that whenever friends are there and they used to go together, right, in the market and for wandering. So here also Ramesh is going and Suresh is joining to Ramesh. I am coming too. I am also coming. This was the word of Suresh. Ramesh says, Bhavan, kim kretum ichchati? Ramesh says, Bhavan, kim kretum ichchati? Bhavan means you, Kim means what? is Kim Kretum Ichchami. Sorry, Ichchati means wish. What do you want to buy? This was a question asked by Ramesh to Suresh. As Suresh has told that I am also coming with you, I come with you. So Ramesh asked that what do you want to buy? Suresh, aham falani kretum ichchami. Aham, this word already we have seen here. Aham means I. Falani means fruits. Kretum, this word already we have seen here. So kretum ichchami, I want to buy fruits. When Ramesh is asking, then Suresh is replying that I want to buy fruits. Ramesh, pashyatu tatraiv phalabipani asti. Chalatu. Pashyatu means see. Tatraiv, tatra plus eva, it means there only. Tatraiv phalabipani asti. Now what does mean by phalabipani? Means fruit shop. See, there is a fruit shop. It is told by Ramesh that see, the fruit shop is there. Chalatu, come on. Come on, there is a fruit shop. See, there is a fruit shop. Come on, let's go. Suresh says, Panchamyam Vipanyam Pakvani Falani Santi. Now Suresh says Panchamyam. Panchamyam means in fifth. Panchamyam means in fifth. Panchamyam Vipanyam. Vipanyam means shop. Vipanyam means shop. Pakvani Falani. Pakvani means ripe. Falani means fruit. Santi. Santi indicates are there. So, Suresh says that, see, there are ripened fruits in the fifth shop. There are ripened fruits in the fifth shop. Ramesh, Bhadra, Am Falana Kriyat Mulyam. Ramesh says that, Bhadra, Ambra Falana Kriyat Mulyam. Bhadra means brother. Ambra means mango. And Falana means fruit. Of mango fruit. Of mango fruit. Kiyat Mulyam. What is the price? How much? Right? Mulyam means cost. Cost or price. Both the words we can use. So, Ramesh says that in the fifth shop there are ripened fruits. Then Ramesh says, brother, how much do the mangoes cost? Brother, how much do the mangoes cost? Students, you may note down these things in your notebook. Ramesh says, brother, how much do the mango cost? Phal Vikreta. Now the fruit seller. Phala Vikreta. Means fruit seller. Fruit seller. 50 रूप्यकाणां 10 फलानि. 50 रूप्यकाणां 10 फलानि. 50 रूप्यकाणां. 50 means 50. रूप्यकाणां means rupees. रूप्यकाणां means rupees. 50 रूप्यकाणां 10 फलानि. 10 means 10 and falani, as you know that, fruit. See, Ramesh has asked to the fruit seller that how much does the mango cost. So the fruit seller replies that the mangoes, 10 mangoes of 50 rupees. 10 mangoes are for 10 mangoes there are 50 rupees. Ramesh says, Dwardas kadli falana. Dwardas means 12. Means 12. Dwardas kadli fal. Now what does mean by kadli fal? Kadli fal means banana. And what about 12 bananas? Again, Ramesh has asked for 12 bananas. So the fruit seller says, Shodas Rupyakani. Shodas. Shodas means 16. Means 16. Shodas Rupyakani. 16 rupees. Ramesh. Chatona Narang Falana. Chatona means 4. And Narang Fal means orange. For 4 and Narang Fal means orange. Now, further he asks that for 4 oranges, if I want to purchase 4 oranges, then fruit seller says Vinshatiha Rupyakani. Vinshatiha means 20. Rupyakani means rupees. Now for 4 oranges 20 rupees. Suresh. Tarhi Mahyam 30 kadli falani dadatu. Tarhi means then. Mahyam. Mahyam means to me. Tarhi Mahyam 30. 30 means 30. Kadli falani dadatu. Dadatu means to give. See, first of all, Ramesh is asking about the price of all the fruits. Like first of all, he has asked about the banana, then oranges, and now he is asking for banana. That please give me 30 banana. Then give me 30 bananas. Then give me 30 bananas. Suresh, Kiyat Mahyam, and further Ramesh says Mahyam Dwartash Narang Falani Dadatu. And Ramesh says that give me 12 oranges. Suresh says, Kiyat Mulyam. Kiyat Mulyam means how much cost. Now what is the price for? Phala Vikreta says, Kadli Phalanam Chatvarinshata, Narang Phalani cha Sasti. So Chatvarinshataha. Chatvarinshataha. Chatvarinshataha means 40 and Narang Phalanam Sasti means 60. Now 40 rupees for bananas and 60 rupees for oranges. 40 rupees for bananas and 60 rupees for oranges. Ramesh says, Sata Rupyakani Swikaratu. Sata means 100. Sata Rupyakani. Rupyakani means rupees and Swikaratu. Swikaratu means accept. Ramesh says, take this 100 rupees. Take this 100 rupees. Phala Vikreta says, Bhavatu means okay or thank you. So, dear students, here our lesson number 7 by the name Sankhya is over. We have seen the conversation which took place between 3 people, 2 friends and one of the fruit seller. And meanwhile, the conversation we have seen the numbers which is used in the lesson. So, you may note down